Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and today we're gonna be delving into a significant topic. It's gonna be the $900 referral bonus that then returned to my area. Oh my goodness. Now that the $900 referral bonus is back, it presents some challenges by oversaturating the markets, which are already oversaturated. Let's go ahead and unpack some of the nuances of this issue. The temptation of the referral bonus is definitely there. Let's start by addressing the $900 they offering you. It's attractive and it's an incentive that's caught the attention of new and seasoned drivers like myself. I see it on my screen. However, we need to explore whether this bonus is a sustainable solution or just like a little temporary fix. You can pay some bills with 900 bucks. But what you gonna do the next month though? Having been a part of the Doordash community for a considerable amount of time, I've seen lots of changes and ups and downs. They didn't did this before. They bring it up to 900 bucks. They maybe offer 400. It was just 20 bucks in my market, and then it just bounced all the way back up to 900. The referral bonus is inciting. It's enticing. The long-term solution is it's gonna overcrowd your market. We already facing levels of oversaturation that is really making it hard to earn that money out there. And especially if you only use DoorDash, you know you've been feeling it. Ain't the same as it used to be. And that's because of the increased lower tips, the oversaturation, and things like this referral bonus. Because look, I'm not even finna make 900 with DoorDash this month. But let's just say me knowing that, I refer somebody. Now I do make 900 because they're gonna give that brand new Dasher a lot of orders with them being a brand new account and being in their honeymoon phase. 900 bucks for me, they're gonna get 600 and it's gonna be even less orders out there. Now the critical question is, should Dashers continue to work in a crowded market that's enticing a $900 bonus? Is it time to consider alternative strategies or even taking a break? That's the real question. The decision requires careful consideration of the pros and the cons, factoring in both short-term gains and long-term sustainability. Considering the implications of the referral bonus and the challenges of a saturated market, we know that it's crucial for Dashers aiming to make informed decisions about their participation on the platform, because if I know the types of referrals that's being offered in my market or markets that I'm planning on working in, I can make a better decision on if I want to work on. Because let's just say this sticks around for a week or two. You better believe every week there's going to be even more Dashers being added to the equation than already would be added without this enticing incentive referral. For Dashers feeling the impact of the market saturation, exploring alternative gig opportunities might be worth considering. Look, we preach this. Multi-app. Get you some Uber Eats, some Grubhub, some Food Dude, something. Because if you like to do food delivery apps and you seeing this bigger referral bonus, it can have a big impact on your earnings. What you can do preemptively is download some different apps, try them out, and at least have them in your arsenal so that you can pull them out if need be. Diversifying one's approach to the gig economy can provide new insights and potentially lead to a more balanced and sustainable income. In light of recent developments, I've been contemplating my own experience on the DoorDash platform and whether I should explore even more opportunities than I already am. Now look, I want you guys to do me a favor. Share your thoughts. Let me know what's going on in your market. Are you still even seeing a referral bonus? If so, how much is it? And what kind of impact do you think it's gonna have on the types of money you able to make with that referral bonus? For the last 6 weeks, they've been offering me $20 if somebody signs up. Just $20. Then all of a sudden, fast forward to the beginning of this week, Monday, now the referral bonus has jumped from $20 all the way to $900. That tells me that it's not more orders out here. No, my market isn't increasing in volume, but that does tell me that there are orders out here that aren't getting complete. And in order to get those orders completed, they need new Dashers who don't have as much information as the current Dashers that are currently in my area. That way, they have the highest percentage chance of getting those orders out and getting them delivered and completed to keep their numbers right, so that the following month, the Dashers who have been completing those orders, if they do enough, about 260, they can receive an incentive. So DoorDash really not losing money when they dish out these big dollar amounts on these incentives, because even though they may give the person that referred a new Dasher 900 and they give that Dasher who did those deliveries 600, they're going to complete 260 deliveries. And in that time, it's going to be a lot of orders that were not getting accepted and completed by myself and the other Dashers in my market. Those orders are now going to be completed and have a higher satisfaction rate, meaning that's going to look better for the company. And after those 2 months that went by, I'm still getting the same low offers that I'm accepting or not accepting accepting and seeing far and few between, that brand new dasher may still be in the honeymoon phase. He may still be accustomed to completing those orders that us more seasoned dashers won't take. These are some of the things that we gonna begin to see as a result of the referral bonus being active and added to our market. I've also seen this same bonus go up to as high as $1,800 for one referral. That shows you right there, it's not really about the money in the short term that DoorDash is worried about. They worried about the long-term completion of those deliveries that are falling through the cracks. To all my new dashers out there, make sure you beware. We got an exclusive for all gig workers in the Cleveland, Ohio area. Look, if you're out there in Ohio, I need you to listen up. The Moves team is preparing for November 6th, 7th, and 8th. They're going to be doing a gig worker event like no other. It's a meet and greet where you can sit down and enjoy a meal on their expense, and you can meet fellow gig workers in the community. You also get a complimentary car wash voucher. This is the best part. All registered attendees have a chance to win the brand new Google Pixel 7. And all you got to do is RSVP and get a chance to win that brand new phone, because that can be your new phone that you're doing gig work with. Again, shout out to all my gig workers in Cleveland, Ohio. I need you to go ahead and RSVP for this event. You're going to get a free meal, sit down, get to chop it up with some gig workers in the area, and you get a complimentary car wash voucher, chance to win that Google Pixel 7 with that RSVP. If you haven't already, to download Moves, you can use my link in the description below, and you can also get $10 when you link one of your qualifying gig accounts. Okay, so today been going good so far. I'm pulling back up to Walmart right now for my third order of the day. I did 2 shopping delivers. First one was 13 bucks and it was only 2 items. Second one was 14 bucks and it was like 11 items. And now I'm on this order right here, $24.77. This one got 9 miles on it, but it's still early in the morning. It's Sunday. I got to get this money. I'm trying to run it up. I'm at, I believe, as of right now, like $550 for the week. I was trying to make it to like $700 before I even got to Sunday, but I ended up having a couple things that I needed to go ahead and address, so we had to take care of business. But I'm trying to go hard today. Look at her, this is the last day of the earnings week, and they finally started to dish out some shopping pays, and that's where I make most of my money at. So let me know in the comments below, how's the gig apps been working for you, and what you've been doing to maximize and get the most out of your days. I've been trying to like split my days up between a morning shift and an evening shift or a night shift. A lot of times when I go out in the morning, since my acceptance rate on Walmart Spark was really low, I wasn't even getting any orders. But I got lucky over the weekend. I've been getting orders consistently and I've been accepting my round robins. Got my acceptance rate all the way up to 32%. I'm hoping to get it in the green so that I can just consistently get round robin orders in the early hours of the weekdays. Because what I find is I can make good money with Spark Friday, Saturday, Sunday, pretty much guaranteed no matter what stats I have. But when it comes to them weekdays, especially Monday, Tuesday, I can sit around all day sometimes and not get an order on Spark, and I will end up switching gears and using an app like Doordash or Uber or Grubhub. But I want to see if I get my ratings up over the weekend and get myself in an acceptable spot. Will I be able to get orders in those prime hours throughout the beginning of the earnings week? That's my plan for right now, but gotta run it up today. Gotta take advantage of these shopping pays, and I really just oh, and it's an incentive. So we also got a little incentive. I don't try to worry too much about the incentives on Walmart Spark, but it will be nice if I can hit at least that first tier while making this money out here doing these orders on my round robin drop. Ever since they added that third customer, it's been a little bit funny trying to. It is 59 degrees outside today, so it's actually feeling pretty good. It would be nice if I can get over $100 before, but no, that's not reasonable. I've been out for an hour and 40 minutes. I had a $53 Sam's Club order this morning, going 23 miles. I accepted it right away, and it had a timer on it. Tell me why, while I'm putting on my clothes, getting ready to head out the door, I go outside, start the car, get all my stuff in there. Tell me why the order got taken away. So I messaged support. I'm like, hey, what's going on? Mind you, it was 3 customers on this order. They gonna tell me the order been canceled, so it got removed. I'm like, dang, just my luck. That would have been half of my daily goal. And it was early in the morning. That's like a unicorn to get an order like that with that dollar amount, meeting that miles to money ratio criteria. I was gonna deliver to all 3 customers and be back before 10 o'clock in the morning, already halfway to my daily goal. So come to find out, they canceled the order. So I leaves out. I head out trying to, just give me a regular Spark order. Tell me why I see all these same Sam's Club orders, now they individually split up, and they all not, it's not a great offer when they all split up, basically. So they took an offer that was grouped together as 3 orders that was grouped together as 1 paying 53. They canceled it, and then they split it up into 3 individual orders. Now the mileage on each individual order didn't justify the base pay and the little bitty tip that might have been on. That's how I started my day. Absolutely ridiculous. But it's all good, though. Look, these are the ups and downs of dealing with these apps in the gig economy. But one thing you can do is just keep moving forward, and that's what I decided to do. I'm at 30 bucks. No, I'm at 27 bucks already for the morning. Been out for an hour, and I got my next order already. It's 3 minutes away from time. It's 3 minutes away from my pickup time. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over to one of these parking spots now. Next up, I got $25 for 11 miles right here at Sam's Club. They sent me this one as a round robin. I think he coming over now with my stuff. Hold on, let me see. Nope, he going to the next car. But this order right here should put me at 75 bucks, and it's coming up on lunchtime now, and your boy's getting pretty hungry. Only thing I got over here is a bag of chips, and I done ran halfway through that. Ooh, they got some kettle corn up there. I might have to go grab me some of that real quick. But this order going 11 miles away. I'm trying to hurry up and get this one done and come back so I can get one more. I want to accept one more round robin on Walmart. Sam's Club order in the back. Couple cases of water. Thing of chicken. Set it up like that. Let's get it delivered. Just drove 6 miles down the highway and we getting off right now. I'm gonna be pulling up to this destination, and I'm gonna be turning Spark off when I get over here, because I don't want to get orders that take me across the water into St. Louis, because the orders over there, the miles to money ratio don't be making a whole bunch of sense, and I don't want to get stuck down here at this Walmart. Yeah, that gas light just came on. It's time to go ahead and stop and put some petrol in this thing. Now I usually go to Sam's Club, but I ain't got enough on my debit card, so we finna have to go ahead and just throw like 10 bucks in the tank real quick and keep it moving.